Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Easy English Podcast for Beginners. I'm your host, Sam.
And I'm Emma. Hi, everyone.
Today we're talking about something very useful, going to the doctor's office in English.
No, I don't like visiting doctors.
Haha, I understand. But knowing how to talk to a doctor in English is very important, especially if you travel or live abroad.
Yes, sometimes it's hard to explain how you feel when you're sick.
Exactly. So, in this episode, we'll learn 1. How to describe your symptoms. 2. How to make a doctor's appointment. And 3. What to say during your visit.
Perfect. Let's get started.
So, Emma, when was the last time you went to the doctor?
About 3 months ago. I had a sore throat.
Oh, that's not too bad. Did you get better quickly?
Yes, after 2 days of rest and some medicine.
Nice. So, listeners, here's a warm-up question for you. When was the last time you went to the doctor? What was wrong?
Take a moment and think about your answer. You can even say it out loud to practice.
All right. Let's learn some important words you'll hear at the doctor's office. Repeat after me.
B.
A fever. Repeat, a fever. A headache. A stomachache. A stomachache. A cough. A cough. A sore throat. A sore throat. Medicine. Prescription. Appointment.
These are great.
Yes. Now, let's make short sentences. I have a headache. I feel sick. My stomach hurts. I need to see a doctor.
Easy and useful.
Let's practice pronunciation together. Slow and clear. I have a headache. My throat hurts. I need some medicine.
Very good.
Listeners, repeat those sentences with us.
Sam, what's the difference between I feel sick and I am sick?
Good question. I feel sick means you might be starting to get sick or you feel unwell. I am sick means you definitely have an illness.
Got it.
Now, let's learn how to make an appointment. Imagine you call the clinic. I'll be the receptionist and you'll be the patient.
Okay, let's go.
Good morning, Green Clinic. How can I help you?
Hello, I'd like to make an appointment with a doctor, please.
Sure. What seems to be the problem?
I've had a bad cough for 3 days.
I see. We have an opening at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Does that work?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please bring your ID card. See you tomorrow.
That was easy.
Yes. The key phrases are, I'd like to make an appointment. What seems to be the problem? Does that work for you?
So polite and clear.
Exactly. Remember, use I'd like to sound polite. Use does that work to check if the time is okay. Listeners, repeat these with us. I'd like to make an appointment. I've had a bad cough for 3 days. 10 a.m. works for me. Now you've arrived at the doctor's office. Let's listen to a conversation between the doctor and the patient. Hello, what brings you in today?
I have a stomachache and feel a bit dizzy.
How long have you felt this way?
Since yesterday afternoon.
Have you eaten anything unusual?
Maybe some street food last night.
Okay, I'll check your temperature. You have a mild fever.
No. What should I do?
Drink lots of water, eat lightly, and rest. I'll give you some medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
You'll feel better soon. Let's review some useful expressions. What brings you in today? Equals why are you here? You have a mild fever. Equals your fever is not too high. I'll give you some medicine. Equals the doctor will prescribe something.
And don't forget, drink lots of water. That's always good advice.
Yes. Now, repeat after us for pronunciation. I feel dizzy. My stomach hurts. You have a mild fever. Take this medicine 3 times a day. Let's look at some simple grammar you can use. I have plus noun. I have a headache. I feel plus adjective. I feel tired. My plus body part plus hurts. My back hurts.
So easy to remember.
Now, some very useful expressions at the doctor. I need to see a doctor. Can I get something for the pain? How long will it take to recover? I'm allergic to peanuts.
That's important. You should always tell your doctor about allergies.
Yes. Let's practice one more time. Repeat after us. Now, let's test your listening skills. Listen carefully. Hello, Dr. Lee's office. Can I help you? Yes, I have a fever and sore throat. Can I see the doctor today? The doctor is available at 3 p.m. Is that okay? Yes, thank you.
Okay, here are your questions. 1. What's the woman's problem? 2. When is her appointment?
Did you get it? Answer 1. She has a fever and sore throat. Answer 2. Her appointment is at 3 p.m.
Well done, listeners.
Let's review what we learned today.
1. Make an appointment. 2. Describe symptoms. 3. Talk with a doctor. And 4. Use useful expressions.
Exactly. Practice these phrases every week. You'll feel more confident speaking English when you're sick or visiting a clinic.
Yes. And don't forget to drink water and rest, just like Sam said earlier.
Yes. Stay healthy and keep learning.
Thank you for listening to Easy English Podcast for Beginners.
We'll see you next time. Bye for now.